today I'm going to try the Qantas Lounge. We'll go see what we can and can't do, whether there's anything good in there to see. Let's go check it out. Bit of VIP time in the Qantas Lounge, that'll be fun. Don't know if it's any good, but we'll find out. Here we go. Where am I going? Unfortunately, nowhere overseas.
These.
Yeah. Now we're talking. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is much better. This is like going to breakfast.
You know what I don't see?
Oh, the bar's down the other end.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do we need coffee?
Skim milk, full milk. It's the same coffee machine as the hotel. Very good. Down the other end, I think, is where we need to go. We don't want to have some fruit. As we know, I don't eat fruit. Probably should do. It looks like good breakfast buffet. Very good. This is it. Do you? Nice. Oops. Look. Real biscuits. Very good. Some beers.
Thank you very much. Very unsuccessful buttering.
Oh, you've done a good job, Michelle. I think the thought's a great idea, but putting it into action, maybe not.
I think it needs to stay for a long time.
Yep, you're just mixing it up with the whatever that stuff is. Look at that. Again, I'm a chef. That's it?
The cheese isn't melting. Still not really melting.
Oh.
Oh well.
I know, the suspense is killing you, isn't it? How good is this? Oh. Brownies. Don't even have to make your own, whatever that is. There'll be an edit here. Yeah, cut. We're not waiting 6 minutes for the sandwich. Salt and pepper shakers. Yeah.
Tomato on
You could have put. I can keep smelling raw onion, but I don't see it. Oh.
I'm going to flip it. I'm going to put tomato in. I'll put tomatoes.
Okay. I don't know if that's working. There you go, got some done now. Lovely.
Not really much in there.
No, it's going to be the best cooking show ever.
Sure.
And then, I'll tell you what, it's well cooked.
Yeah.
My cheese is actually melted. I find myself, when I travel with Qantas, indulging on nothing but the finest. Licorice sauce or whatever the hell. It's not a melting moment. What is it? Monte Carlo? Yeah, Monte Carlo. Lovely. Qantas, nothing but the best. That's right. I'm at the airport. This is the shower and toilet. I can honestly say I've never been to the airport where there's a shower before. Shower head. So I guess if you're in the Qantas Lounge and you need a shower before you go, wicked. Where you put the towels. Yeah.
Okay, I'll get
No worries.
Bye.
No worries. Thank you. Bit more fancy. I like the legroom. Legroom's good. I was just flicking through my Qantas rewards magazine with all the massive amount of legroom, and when you put your feet up on a plane like this, it's incredible. got heaps of legroom. Now the one thing I've never realised before is that if you're on an emergency exit row, yeah, there's plenty of legroom, but the row in front, they can't recline their chair. So that means that's a win-win for me. And we're not flying on the A380 today, which holds 490 odd people. We're flying on a plane that has 97 people, Embraer 190. I think it's a refurbished Qantas plane. We get our meal, which is steamed chicken dumplings. We also get sushi and a ginger beer. In the back there's the fork. Feel a bit rubbery. Yum. They are the best dumplings I've had from Qantas all day. Just going to close the lid for keeping it warm. One of the many features on this plane is I can put my drink down and it will deliver it back to me again every time. It's a drink delivery system designed by Qantas.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for that, that was great. Well, I've learned one thing about now that I never knew before with flying. You've got to book the emergency exit lane. The front seats in front of you can't recline, and there's so much room. You're doing that from now on. I reckon nobody tells you that because they don't want you to know. They think you're going to steal their seat. But I'm telling you, book that seat. It's fantastic.